Okay guys, it's me again. I want to do a real quick video to show y'all some changes in the gradebook that you need to be aware of. So I'm going to PowerTeacher Pro. Okay, and I'm going to go and look at this the assignments here, not for quarter 2. Let's change it to where we are. So look at this. We have 3 assignments already available. Okay, but when we go to the score sheet, you're going to see that these 3 assignments, the grades are there, but there's no average. And here's why. If you'll remember, the last 2 years we've had to go in here and we've actually set up the category weighting and picked your categories. Well, this year the categories are already created and they have already been set as far as weighting for both the middle school and the elementary. Now the elementary, yours looks a little different, but it's the same concept. So pay attention to what we got to do. So these are the 2 categories that are actually being used. They're the 2 categories that are actually calculating. Well, our problem is the assignments that we just saw, which I'll find here, are under a test and a classwork category. That's not what we're averaging. So what we need to do is go to grading and then to categories, and you're going to see that we don't have any of those categories available. So what we need to do, oh, and I need to scoot my little thing over. If you click show in active, this is what you see. You see the 2 with the little schoolhouses. That's what we need to happen. Okay, so those are the ones we need to use. So what you need to do is click edit. And where it's inactive, we need to make those active. Okay? And then there's a save button. So it's obviously not going to do it because I'm in a read-only view. But then it's going to become active. Once you've done that, if you already have created some assignments, you then need to go to your assignments list. And you can edit your assignment. And if you put it in all of your classes, it's going to still show up that it's in all of your classes. But what you can do is now change the category. And once you've made it active, it will become an option here. Okay? And by changing one, if you've got the same assignment in more than one class, it will make it in all the classes. Okay? And then you click save, and it says okay. Once you have changed these categories to what's actually being calculated, your average is what will show up and will create. Or will generate the average that it needs to be. Once you've created made the correct categories active, my suggestion is then to make the others inactive so you do not accidentally put something in those. Now, you may choose to create something that or use a category for pre-tests or something like that, knowing that that is not being calculated, but that way that people could still, your parents, your students could still see those averages. But guys, make sure that you are using the correct category or else it will not average correctly. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, email Jason Daly, and we'll do all we can to fix it. Talk to you soon.